growing restless in the wind, searching for a brighter day.
I want to say thank you to Almighty God because you, Nancy, you're the best blessing I had. You have made me most happy man in this world today by agreeing to share my life with me.
I found you, a world brand new. Sky is blue when I'm with you.
Natatandaan mo ba?
I found
Daig ko pa si Cinderella. Bago dumilim, dapat nakauwi na ako. Oo na, napapagod ka. But you never gave up. Kahit na yung dream profession mo, nagawa mong i-give up for me. And thank you for that.
finally I feel alive. Heart on fire in my chest, feel the wild rush. I can see a world awake again. Finally I feel alive. My whole world changed suddenly when I saw something heavenly. He turned my darkness into day, oh, and I could finally see the way.
Thank you, my husband. We will face the life together now. And I know I'll be okay because you are with me.
Sky is
No more hatid sundo secretly. And no more Cinderella moments. I love you and I always will.
finally I feel alive. Heart on fire in my chest, feel the wild rush. I can see a world awake again. Finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive.
Thank you for being so understanding and patient with me. Since the day na nagkakilala tayo, ang dami mo ng adjustment sa akin. 13 years to be exact. Sa lahat ng bawal at ayoko, oo ka lang ng oo sa akin. At nakasuporta.
Finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive.
Ay! Oh, wow! My wife. Isa ka sa pinakamagandang mangyayari sa buhay. Ay, naiyak ako! Naiyak ako! Ano sa buhay ko? Gagawin ko ang... Ano daw? Gagawin ko ang lahat para para ingatan ka. Sana matuwa ka sa gift ko.
The day that I met you, the world had just spit me out.
And I promise to cherish and protect you. I promise to care you for all and protect you. I promise to comfort you, encourage you. Promise to be with you forever in eternity.
Panghabang buhay na yan, ha? I love you! Panghabang buhay na ito! Panghabang buhay!
Fall into me, and I'll catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. song on repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice.
Pasensya ka na minsan at madiwara ako. Alam mo naman yun. Kaya siguro ikaw ang binigay ng Diyos sa akin kasi you know how to handle me. You know how to calm me down and you always bring peace to my life.
Again, until I had met you, there's no sun in my sky, no mirrors for monsters, no love in sight.
To my one and only love. Sa wakas tapos na, iniisip mo. Dahil dyan, may gift ako sa'yo para may palit ka na sa favorite mo. Bumalik na din ako para sa akin. Kasi baka makalimutan mo. See you soon. Simbahan na lang. Yawa eh.
Fall into me, and I catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song on repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice, high on the moment. I'd fall for you twice. That's what you wanted. I give you my life, from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again. I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling.
And thank you kasi bago nawala yung aking tatay, sa kanya ka nag-propose. Thank you so much. For sure, tatawa-tawa lang yun sa langit ngayon.
Fall into me, and I'll catch you, darling. Let's dance in the streets like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song on repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice, high on the moment. I fall for you twice. That's what you wanted. I give you my life, from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again.
And to nanay and tatay in heaven,
And I'll catch you,
promise ko
darling. Let's
po sa
dance
inyo
in
na
the
hindi ko po
streets.
pababayaan si Nancy.
Nobody's watching.
And I love you,
It's just
Nancy,
you and me.
with all my heart and my soul.
Repeat
Love,
in
Jess.